Well, here we are, folks, up in Ramsbottom, in Edenfield, in Ramsbottom, just outside of Ramsbottom near Rotten Store. There's Waterfall 1. I was going to do some close-ups to this, but it's going to be hard because it's fast-flowing river just there. If I just stand over here, as you can hear it, and see there, just in the distance, where my finger's pointing, just there is the big waterfall where I used to swim. And this here would have been a water mill here. It would have been an old mill site, this, with a water mill. So you've got to be too careful because it's super slippery. Don't want to fall my arse going down these big drops. Waterfall 1, just there, where the finger is. Waterfall 2, just there. And river, just there. There you go. Beautiful out in the middle of nowhere, folks. Share the love. There you go, folks. Waterfall number 1. Waterfall number 1, folks. Let's go to the edge here. There's waterfall number 2. Normally in sometimes you can actually go swimming in that. It's not today though, folks. It's a raging fucking torrent. But still, marvellous, the power of water, Mother Nature. Beautiful power of Mother Nature, folks. Just using my off-road tip here. Sorry for that, I've got a shout. Hopefully you can hear me well enough over how loud this water is. Let's get down here. Yeah, bit slippery. I've got to careful, don't go in that drink. If I go in there, I'm brown bread. I'm done for. And the mountain wellies as well. There you go, folks. Look at that big raging torrent. Absolutely madness. Some beautiful photos there, folks. POV for you, me climbing down this. Go to that. Go, folks. That's beautiful. Oops, slipped in a load of mud. So you've got to be careful around these parts here, folks. Fast flowing water, you don't want to fuck around here. No messing around these parts. There you go. Stunning. Absolutely stunning, folks. I don't know how well you can hear me here, but it's super loud. Check that waterfall. Well, folks, that there was the waterfall where we was going to today. Absolutely beautiful in full flood. But it was nice, got some nice beautiful shots, so you can check them out tonight on Instagram at Blind Explorer 2226, folks. But it's absolutely stunning down here, out in the countryside, folks, out in my willy bubs, You're just using me over cane now, just changed over from me off-road cane to my roller ball, because I use 2 canes while I'm out and about. But look at that for the view, folks. Views up here. I just wish I could actually see them, but I've been here before. I used to come swimming here when I was younger. That's how come I know this area so well. Why not? Because I used to come swimming here when I was in my teenage years. Just before I lost my eyesight, I used to come up here swimming. So that's how I know where this place is. It's a little hidden gem. Not many people know it's actually here or know how to get to here. But if you look behind us, folks, there you go, look at that. Rolling hillside. Just getting a banger for you. There we go, got out the bangers. Let's continue on the walk down the path. I found a lovely little shop over in Ramsbottom end, in Stubbins, in Ramsbottom. Just outside of Ramsbottom, a place called Stubbins. Found a proper old-fashioned shop. Oh my god, as soon as I walked in there, I asked, could I have a can of Coke please? And what cakes do you do? Because I could smell cakes, freshly baked homemade cakes, folks. Oh my god, I was shocked. The guy went, oh yeah, most of the time, would you like a can of normal Coke? Very polite, very pleasant, absolutely beautiful, folks. I could live up here, I'm serious. Just wish you had the money to live up here, folks, because it's absolutely stunning. And I'll show you the route down from the waterfall. I will be doing a couple of trips up here towards the summertime. And probably do a few swimming vlogs and stuff up here. Just go through the gate there, that's the gate. There you go, that's the gate. And this road here, at the bottom of here, if you was to turn left, it leads you down to Rochdale. But we'll continue this vlog on down onto the main road. We hit this lovely old cobble road. Well, I'm just going to get a quick banger off. Get a quick photo of. A quick banger for you. Boom. Like I said though, folks, I know where I am. I've been here before, so I know where things are around here quite well. Don't get me wrong, I do get lost sometimes and it's quite hard to find the shops and stuff, but I still find my way around. Just gotta be confident and then finding people, asking people for directions, folks. And that's how I get around. I use Google Maps. I use Google Maps, Google Earth to find my way around. Absolutely stunning big mansion house there. I ask people, I ask in local shops, pubs for directions to where I want to go to. This is how I find these places, folks. Local knowledge. And absolutely stunning here, folks. Absolutely beautiful. From the Blind Explorer. This is why I'm called the Blind Explorer, because I'm fully blind and I still come out exploring. And sharing the love all day, every day, folks. It's absolutely beautiful down here. Just get another banger of this road here. There is some industrial units just to the left of us, what I'll show you in 2 seconds, where the walls collapsed, so you can see through. There you go, industrial units there. But this used to be an industrial area of mills and stuff, but now it's quite tranquil and peaceful. And the other banger I'll be getting in shortly is a photo of an old church that's been renovated, I've been told, about just on the hill here, just on the top of this hill. I'm heading back now towards Manchester ways, due to the fact of the weather and the buses and that, but it's supposed to be raining all day today, but it's been alright. It's not been too much rain for us today, folks. And this is us just coming to the end of the path now here, folks. I'm just going to take another quick angle looking up the way. There we go. Got the photo. And this here, folks, is called Plunge Road. There you go, Plunge Road. Quick photo of that sign there. Boom. There you go, folks, and this is the main road. And like I was saying to you, you go down there, that's Rochdale. You go that way, that's to Ramsbottom and that lot, and also to the motorway. So share the love, folks. Go and follow me on Instagram and go and follow me on YouTube at Blind Explorer 2226, folks. Share the love, peace out. Go and check out the photos on Instagram. Just waiting for these to pass. And go, like I was saying there, folks, go and check out the photos on Instagram at Blind Explorer 2226. Go and check out my photos, folks. Share the love. Go and follow me on YouTube at Blind Explorer 2226, folks. Share the love, peace out.